Today's vlog is different because in today's vlog we got a new vehicle. That's right, guys. I got a new truck. I had it for about 2.5 months or so. Not that long. I've been wanting to do some mods on it. I already got like 3 different mods that I want to put on it. I got this big box here, and then I got this Wind Unite, whatever, and then this small one here. But I haven't been able to put the mods on the truck because of the weather. When I had got the mods and I got this truck, it was like in the early spring, which was still chilly and cold, and I don't like the cold, of course. So yeah, I decided to go with the white color because my last truck was all black. Right there, it don't run because it needs a new engine, but it's still good. It just needs a new engine. It gave that on me, so I said instead of getting an all black one, I got an all white one now. And I want to do all kinds of stuff to it, like this chrome here. I want to paint that stuff white. This here, I want to paint that white. And this bottom thingy majiggy, paint that white. I'm pretty much gonna try and do everything on the truck white. Unfortunately, I can't find like white rims for it, so let's do it like plastic dip or something. But yeah, the black F-150, guys, is for sale if you guys want to buy it. Whatever, you know. But yeah, but before we do the first mod right here, I want to take it to a car wash because it's dirty and dusty. Because I just got done taking it to a state park yesterday with me and the buddies and the bro. Took out the bikes and rode on the trails. Plus, I gotta work on my 350Z. I gotta do the oil change, oil filter. I gotta replace the thermostat on it because it's bad. So that means I gotta take out all the coolant out of there and put new one. Yeah, I got all kinds of projects to do, guys. Just not enough time, you know. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to the car wash and pick up some stuff like the oil filter for the 350. Alright, guys, I just got back from the store. I got the oil for the 350Z, oil filter, and a freeze. And I got the truck all cleaned up from the car wash. It's clean, even the rims are clean. Alright, so now let's get on with our first mod. This right here, this small box. So I bought this in Amazon. It's the antenna. It's in the form of a 50 caliber. And then it also comes with adapters. Cause the stock antenna right now sucks. This freaking big ass flimsy thingy. I don't like it. And besides, I don't really listen to the radio that much. I mostly listen on my USB or my phone. But yeah, so it's easy to put on there. You just screw the adapters on there on the bottom, and then screw this to the stock one. And to do that, all you gotta do is remove the stock one. You just gotta remove the stock one with the wrench, unscrew it. Let me go get a wrench, guys. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, guys, this is a 2020 F-150 XLT edition. Yeah, but yeah, I got this 10 millimeter wrench because that's what this takes. You just unscrew this and it will come off. Alright, so I got the stock antenna up and I don't need it, it's a piece of junk. Now we just gotta find out which one of these adapters are gonna work for this and antenna. And then I also got this thread locker so the thing don't come off. I found which one works the best, which adapter works the best, and it's this one here. So all we gotta do is put some, move this stuff around, guys, so you can see better. Put some thread locker on there. I got the I got the orange kind, orange thread locker. It's so you can still remove it, but I think with the tools, but and just in case you want to put this stock antenna back on there, I don't know why. There we go. We got a good amount on there. And then you just put it in here like so. There we go. Make sure you put it in there tight, guys, so it don't come off. And then we're gonna also put some thread lock on this side. That way it don't come off. Oh, just a little dribble. And then we're gonna take this and put it on this one, on this side. Let me wipe off some of this excess. I think I put a little too much, but it's alright. There we go. Just clean it up a little bit. Hang on. Let's put a little bit more on there. There we go. I think that's good. And you just screw it onto there like so. Make sure it's on there tight, guys, so it don't ever come off. It's my right hand. I think it's on there pretty good. It's not gonna come off, guys. But there you go. That's it. That's pretty much all you gotta do. and it looks already better than the old one, because the old one is so tall and flimsy and obnoxious looking. It makes the truck look better. Low profile antenna. Alright guys, that is it for this vlog for the F-150. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I also have 2 more mods for it, this here and then this big old box. That's for another video, another day. Thanks for watching.